Hey guys, today I'm going to show y'all how to create a workflow that automatically gives access to people you are selling your course to. So you don't have to think about it. You just send them the payment link and everything else from there is automated and they can just go through it really easily. So you are going to be in your HighLevel sub account and you are going to want to go to the automations button right here. You're going to create a workflow up here in this top button, start from scratch. All right, so once we have clicked into our workflow and we name our workflow, which you can do right up here, clicking the pen, we're going to create our trigger. So this is gonna be what fires off this automation process, so you don't have to think about it at all. To add a trigger, we're gonna do payment received. So add trigger, payment received, and I'm not gonna delete this trigger because this is the workflow I use. I'm not really gonna mess with it much, but I will do it alongside of it. So payment received, right here. We're gonna go add filters, and our global product is social media management. If you don't know how to build a product, you're gonna go out of the workflow list, payments right here in your sub account, and you're going to hit the products up here on the top bar, and you'll hit create product and go through the prompts like so. Once you have that product created, here's my social media management course, you will then go to payment links and you will create a payment link for that product. So going through the same prompts, creating that link, and that link is what you're gonna send people to trigger off the entire automation. So we're going back to automation right here. So social media management course lead getter is what I have it named as. And then we're gonna go add filters again, and we're going to select payment status is success. So once we save that, that is going to be the trigger we use to kick this thing off. So I just deleted it real quick because I already have that, but here's what mine actually looks like. Then we're gonna add a 30-second wait step. So how you do that is press the plus sign, wait. You can name it up here, 30 seconds. And then you are going to do 0.5 minutes. If you wanted to do hours, days, I would not recommend that, but you could do that. And then save that action. Again, I'm not gonna save that because I already have it in there. Next would be the course grant offer. So again, hit the plus. You're gonna hit course grant offer right here. And all you're gonna do is select the actual offer that you have created within the membership status or the membership tab in HighLevel. So if you don't know where that is, you're just gonna go right here, memberships. And this is where you actually create your courses, create your offers. So there's my social media management one. But let's go back to the automation. I do want to preface real quick that your email that is automatically sent to them to prompt them to create a password and get them to log in is automatically sent and set up in this membership tab. So HighLevel is the best and they already pump that out for you. And where to find it is go to the client portal, hit settings, and then you're gonna go to email settings and courses and send welcome email. You're gonna want this checked on. If you wanna preview it, this is what your new client is going to receive when they buy your course. They're gonna get first-time login instructions, next steps, login. Once they click this button, it's gonna prompt them to create a password. That way they can log in to your membership site. So that is where to find it and what it looks like. If you wanna edit it, you just click this button right here, and then you hit edit right here to customize it. Add your logo, colors, whatever you wanna do. So because that's already in the memberships tab right here, in our automation, we do not need to add that, but I do have a text message that is automatically sent when the payment is processed. So that way, we've already gone over giving the course grant offer, setting up that trigger. And then next we would do add an internal notification. So we're gonna hit the plus sign right here, internal notification. So once their payment goes through, we're going to select the type of notification. I always prefer SMS because it pops up right onto my phone. Particular user, you're gonna put yourself so that way you are notified when somebody buys your course. Then you're gonna type out a message to yourself that pretty much says, in mine, I have so-and-so, so a custom value. You can hit the custom values tag right here and then go contact, put their first name. Once they've paid, their first name is gonna pop up right here automatically. Just got access to SMS course. That way I know who's got access to it and their payment went through successfully. Then I will send them an SMS right here. So this is sent out to them, hitting the plus, clicking the send SMS, and then I'll write my message here. Now for this, here is my message, success. Thank you for your purchase, so-and-so. Again, adding that custom value, hitting that little tag up there, going contact, and then first name, bam. Check your email inbox, spam 2, for a welcome email that will prompt you to log in, and just taking them through what to expect, and then having them like, hey, go log into blank once you get your password and all that set up. Happy learning. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. That is how my text message goes. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave down below.